What was that? I did not approve that jump.
Eek, that was scary. Oops, my bad.
Just a hiccup.
I'm the breathing muscle, but sometimes I twitch without permission. Hey, random air blast incoming. Everybody hold on.
I can't hold it.
Whoa, not again.
Just breathe. Door closing. Boom! Ha! That's the sound everybody hears.
Maybe it was the giant meal or those fizzy bubbles.
Why am I doing it again? Sorry, reflex loop.
Oh no, a hiccup! Most hiccups are harmless and disappear on their own after a little while.
But if hiccups last over 2 days or affect eating, sleeping, or breathing, get checked.